In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to send invoices that your customers can pay online using credit cards, bank transfers, or both, directly through QuickBooks. We'll go step by step so you can follow along in your own account as you watch. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. On the main dashboard, look for the gear icon, usually in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click the gear icon, and from the drop-down, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control many of the core features of your QuickBooks company, including payments. Once you're in Account and Settings, look at the menu on the left side and select the Payments tab. This section is dedicated to setting up and managing QuickBooks Payments, which is the built-in payment processing service. In the QuickBooks Payments area, you'll see an option that says Learn More. Click that and then select Set Up Payments. At this point, QuickBooks will walk you through a series of on-screen instructions to connect or create your QuickBooks Payments account. You'll be asked for some basic business details like your business type, contact information, and bank account details where you want your funds to be deposited. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate, because this is how QuickBooks verifies your account and routes your customer payments to you. Follow each prompt until you reach the confirmation that your payments account is connected. Once your payment setup is complete, it's time to use it on an actual invoice. Go back to your main dashboard and create a new invoice, just like you normally would. Add your customer, the products or services, the dates, and any terms you want to include. On the invoice screen, look for the Payment Options section. Here, you'll see checkboxes for Accept credit cards and Accept bank transfer. Turn on whichever options you'd like to offer your customer. You can enable just one or select both if you want to give them more flexibility. After you've reviewed the invoice and you're happy with the details, select Save and then choose Share. From there, pick the option to email the invoice to your customer. QuickBooks will automatically include a secure payment link in the email. When your customer receives it, they can click the link and pay you online, and the payment will flow directly into your QuickBooks records.